Good morning, students. I hope all of you have given your, more or less, all of you have given your practice test. Now, all of you are preparing for your unit test. But today, after a long time, I think 10 to 12 days, we are doing again this video classes. So, today we will continue the video class of the previous chapter. Okay, so I hope all of you are well at your home and you are preparing for your unit test. Okay, so let's start. So students, from some days we have done several revision works. Now today onwards we will continue the rest of the chapter of this GIMP. In last video, in GIMP, advanced editing in GIMP, that we have done moving layers, creating layers, these things we have done. Today again I will revise that to creating moving layers, and after that we will see that how to delete the layer and how to add the text on uh, layers, on images. Okay, so that we will see here today. So let us see. Now this is GIMP window. After that, first you have to create the layer and then you have to move those layers. Okay, so for that, first you have to file, then new, and then by default this width is 1920 and height is 1080 pixel. So I'm doing here OK. So this layer has come. Now you go to this layer, okay, in this layer menu, and then new layer. Okay, so create a new layer dialog box will open. From here you have to write the name of the layer. So suppose first you can do the background layer. So I have done background layer, you can see over here. Same process here again you have to do, suppose according to your book, mountain. So you do write down here the name mountain. Okay, and then click on OK. Okay, so mode also you can change, and others, width and height also you can change, and fill width here you can click, and there are different colors: foreground color, background color. Which color you want to the background, that you can select from here. So after that, click on the transparency. So after clicking this transparency, and then click on OK. Okay, so you can see here this mountain layer is created. Okay, now you can draw here the mountain. Like first click on this airbrush tool or pencil tool, whatever you want you can select from here. And if it's not here pencil, then you can select from here tools, then pen tools. From here you can get the different type of tools. So suppose you want pencil tool, then you can select from here pencil tool, and then which type of pencil you want width, that you can select from here, and then you select. I am changing this background because black is not of mountain, so just double click here, and then mountain color you can select from here, and then click on OK. Okay, so you can draw here the mountain. Yes, in this way. Here also again one mountain you can click from here. I'm just showing you. And then bucket fill tool, here you can select the bucket fill tool and then click over here. Just for example I am showing, this is not mountain. Now you have to create a new layer, that is for sun. Okay, so for that you have to click on the layer and then new layer. Okay, and then again you want to, if you according to your requirement, you can change this width and height of this. And layer name here you can give sun. Okay, so I am giving here the name sun, and then click on transparency. Whatever you want, you just click over here, and width, height, whatever you want to change you can do from here. Okay, and then click on OK. Now you can see here sun layer box has opened. Okay, so now you can create the sun. For that, ellipse tool you first select here. I think all of you can see this ellipse tool. I am selecting here ellipse tool, and then select the color of the sun, suppose yellow. Okay, and then you do it here. Okay, bucket fill tool, yellow color is here. Now click over here. So in this way you can do the sun. So this is the layer, and this is the way how will you create the layers. Okay, so 3 layers I have created here. You can see here sun, mountain and background. Okay, so these 3 layers I have created. If you want to create more layers, so that also you can do the same process. Now next one is moving layer. How will you move the layer? Suppose you want this sun behind the mountain, then what will you do? For that you have to go here. You just see, this is the layer dialog box. So when you will click this one, down arrow key, then this will, mountain will come in front of your screen and sun will go behind. Okay, and if you want that sun layer goes below the mountain layer goes below the sun, then what you will do, again you have to go over there and then up arrow key. So you can see here. Okay, so by this way, this down arrow key and up arrow key, through these 2 key arrows you can do this moving layers, front or behind. Okay, so I am doing it behind sun. So in this way it will come. Okay, I think it's clear all of you. Now next thing, this is the moving layer. Deleting layer I will show you afterwards. Before that, adding text. How will you add the text on the image? For that, first you have to click on the tools menu. Okay, so you can see over here tools menu. So click over there, tools menu. You can see here the text, and then toolbox. Okay, so which option you want? Suppose text you want to insert, so first click on the text. So here you can, okay, you can do here, and here you can see the text toolbox also. So if you want to change the font style, then click over here, AA. If you want click over here, then it will not come. Okay, so for that, first you have to click on this text toolbox, and then you can see the different type of font styles. Okay, so which font you want, you just select that, like this one's scan serif, italic, or whatever you want you can do from here. Size also you can change, color also you can change. Okay, so all these things you can change, bold, italic, underline, whatever you want you can do from here, and then you just click over there. Okay, here you see pixel, inches, millimeter, point. So these are the different units. So which unit you want, you just select that. By default it is pixel. Okay, so size, suppose here is by default is given 62, so that is 62 pixel. Px means pixel. Okay, so color also you can change from here. Suppose I want this color. Then click that color and then click on OK. Now you can write over here whatever, suppose sun, mountain and sun, or morning beauty, so whatever you want. Okay, so in this way you can write. Is it clear? Again I have done this one for moving layer. So now it has come in front, morning beauty. If you will do this down arrow, then again it will go behind of this mountain. Okay, is it clear? So it will be better ki we will do front of the mountain. So in this way it will come. Okay, so I hope all of you understood this. So this is the way layer, moving layer, and how will you add the text in your image. Okay, so next one is deleting layer. So for that, suppose you want to delete this background, then what you will do, just right click over that, and this right click on that layer, which layer you want to delete. Okay, and then click on the delete layer, so that layer will be deleted. Okay, like this. Okay, so in this way you can do. And if you want to undo, then Ctrl plus Z, or you can do from here edit, and then select the undo. Okay, so that's all for today, students. You do it at in your computer at your home, and okay, that's all for today. Thank you.